Hi, I'm Jonas Cain, and welcome to Magic Words. Today is our final installment of a 5-episode series on the 5 promises of love. We've talked about support, forgiveness, repentance, and gratitude. Today's promise is very important. The magic word is recognition. When we say that we love someone, what we're really saying is, I recognize you for who you are, for who you were, for what you did, what happened to you to get you to where you are today, but also for who you're striving to be. One of my favorite scenes in cinematic history comes from the movie Avatar, when 2 characters are talking to each other, and one of them says to the other, I see you. I see you. In other words, what we're saying is that when we love someone, we recognize that common thread that connects us all, but also that spark of uniqueness that makes each and every one of us an individual. To love someone is to recognize them, it's to acknowledge them. There are so many things that go into this one single word. It's recognition, it's support, it's forgiveness, it's repentance, and it's gratitude. I hope that you've enjoyed this series on the 5 promises of love. Again, this is just one model of love. This is the one that I personally live by. I'd love to hear your own model of love, or how you see these promises of this model of love played out in your own life. Send me an email, jonas@positivitymagic.com, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.
I see you.
I see you.